This is a book review of Captain America, official index to the Marvel Universe. I've got a couple of these, got Avengers, etc. And that's a good one. This Captain America one is good and unusual because it features, and I would have loved to have seen more of them done, it's got all the timely stuff as well. So it's not just the current period. So you've got obviously the Captain America #1 there. And it's come out quite a few years ago now. It's 2011. And obviously a vast number of people involved. And it goes all the way through. So Captain America #1. You've got the credits, you've got the featured characters, supporting cast, villains, other characters, locations, etc. Synopsis. You've then got the second story credit, feature character, and so on and so on. So you've got obviously, and there's a lot of coding in here, lots of references to TOS, obviously Tales of Suspense, etc. Splash pages. And it's just got page after page. Of course, sadly, the one criticism I have with it, you can see there, very, very small thumbnail picture. I would love to have seen a little bit more, bigger picture, and maybe a little bit less text. But again, very small one for Captain America 3. And it's just page after page. So this is August 1941 for issue 5. And then you've got number 6, you've got September 1941. And you've got obviously all the credits. Obviously Jack Kirby, Captain America and Joe Simon, of course. And then you've got the Young Allies was in it, apparently. And it's got so many references, and it references different things. You can go backwards and forwards to work out all the various where characters reappeared. And of course, Captain America comics also did feature other characters. So you've got like Hurricane, Master of Speed. So you've got that 7 pages. The writer was Stan Lee and Charles Nicholas. You've got also here Hurricane, known also as Harry Kane. She went on to become a footballer, I think, somewhere. Anyway, in England, a reference to. So you got here Dead Man's Ring, Stan Lee again. I wonder what happened to him. Obviously, he went on, did it very well for himself, which is great. So you got Captain America 16, and he goes all the way through. So I'm not going to say. Now, I really like, and I've seen over the years bits and pieces of stories, some of these comics, and I quite like the later 1940s. I suspect lots of people don't, but I would love to see them all finally in an omnibus edition. I suspect I'm going to have a long, long wait on that one. It does seem to be probably never going to happen, but it might, who knows, ever optimistic that they might come out. So you've got Captain America 50. There were lots and lots of stories, and these were all obviously in the 50s, 1947, 1968, then 71, 72. Then it changed. You can see when you look at also obviously the various Ken Bald. I always thought he was great. I really like his artwork. The covers and things, they all start to change. And then you've got Captain America's Weird Tales. That was number 74, October 1949. And then that's it. It's gone. Captain America. Weirdly, they include the Captain America Weird Tales 75, which, as far as I'm aware, didn't actually include Captain America. So that would be really annoying as a kid. You get that, I'm going to get, no Captain America. It's called Captain America. Then Captain America 76. And that was in May 1954. So they did introduce, now they also had, you had like a weird mix again. Quite often these magazines, comics, had Human Torch, a story for Submariner, and it would be 5 pages. That would be it. Come to the commies, says there. Captain America 77, Captain America 78, a brilliant character there. Electro, not the Electro in Spider-Man. And then you got Captain America Returns, the Avengers, and the Tales of Suspense. And obviously it doesn't include those, which is slightly odd when you've included some odd things here. You'd think they would have just included the Avengers issue 4, which of course was the first appearance. Well, there was also an earlier story where they were trying it out. Don't know why they did that, to be honest. Just put him in Avengers 4. Why bother trying? Just put him in. Captain America 100, Captain America 101. Yeah, those great sleeper stories. I love those stories. Jim Steranko, of course, you got 200. And it's just pages upon pages of this. And it's got lots of detail. I mean, it just gets really quite lots of, there's so many sort of references to things, cross-references to this, cross-references to that. Must have taken forever to do this index. It goes all the way to Captain America 52, 160. Actually, that was one of the earliest issues I ever bought. Turning Point, that was 1972. 100 foot Or was it March 72? No, it's not. March 73. That's, I think, a somewhat slight error in the book. I was thinking, that's weird, because I started collecting in 1973, not 1972. But that was one of the earliest comic books. It wasn't the earliest, but it was there. Then you had, of course, Kirby coming, and it just continues. So you guys got great story after story after story. Obviously, million variations. Captain America, lots and lots of different stories. Some of these I've read, some I haven't read. Some I've read on digital, I have to say. The Marvel Unlimited, which I'm not a member of now, but I was. And I really, really liked the service. So there was lots. So I read lots of these ones. And I have to say, I don't recall all of them. And all the way through to the end. And then there's a breakdown of abbreviations at the end. So I really like these indexes, and it's a hefty book. As ever, no page numbers. Why don't they include page numbers? I love page numbers, because I mean, without page number, how do you always on page 85? Well, where's 85? So, but it's got some brilliant covers, but like I say, unfortunately, they're very small, so you can see very tiny little covers there. But it's a really good book, really good reference book, and even though it says only £10, I only got this for £1 in a second-hand shop. But it's certainly worth it at that sort of price. So, official index to the Marvel Universe.